Okay, so this is our final third assignment project. My name is Martin Jaramillo.
And my name is Juan Camilo Bravo.
Okay, so we will
And
begin our presentation. Hey, Juan Camilo, that seminar we took was really eye-opening. It made me realize how fast technology is transforming the legal world. Sometimes I feel like the law just can't keep up.
I know what you mean, especially with AI, it's changing everything. I read that some courts in the US and European Union are already using AI to help judges to predict cases outcome and detect patterns in evidence.
Yeah, it's incredible. On one hand, AI can make justice faster and more efficient. Imagine reducing the backlog of cases with automated analysis, especially here in Colombia. But on the other hand, there are some serious risks. What if the algorithm is biased or the AI is trained with incomplete data?
Exactly. That is the big question. Who's responsible if an algorithm makes a mistake? The programmer, the company, the judge who uses it? That's why the European Union created the AI Act to regulate how AI is developed and used, making sure it respects fundamental rights.
That's a really great point. And here in Colombia, this discussion is just starting to grow. Our constitution is based on human dignity and equality. So if an AI tool makes decisions that discriminate or invade someone's privacy, it could clearly violate constitutional rights.
Right. Data protection is also a big issue. Every day, governments and companies collect personal information, sometimes without a real consent. The problem is that people, like you and I, often really doesn't know if their data is being used or misused. That's the case a lot of times.
True. That's why lawyers today need to understand digital rights and cybersecurity law. It's not enough to know civil or criminal codes anymore. Our profession is becoming multidisciplinary and mixing the law and technology and ethics.
I couldn't agree more with you. Universities are really adapting. Think about it. 100 years ago, law schools focused on Roman law, contracts, and procedure. Now we're studying environmental law, international arbitration, and technology law. It's a really huge evolution.
Yeah, it's definitely amazing. I remember in our legal history project we did for this class, we saw how the study of law in Colombia started with religious institutions like Universidad del Rosario and Javeriana, and now we're discussing artificial intelligence and human rights. We've definitely come a long way.
Exactly. Speaking of human rights, I think that AI could also become a great ally to analyze this. Because just imagine using AI to analyze human rights violations or detect patterns of corruption. It could make investigation 100% transparent and way more efficient. And it will really help in this country using this.
Definitely. Or even in environmental justice, using data analysis to predict deforestation, track pollution, or monitor illegal mining, that would give us and judges and policymakers powerful tools to protect nature.
Of course, but we can never forget the ethical side. Technology can support justice, but it can replace human judgment. As we already know, machines don't feel empathy or understand moral responsibility. At least, not yet.
Exactly. Law isn't just about logic and efficiency, it's about fairness and humanity. That's something AI can't fully replicate, you know? So maybe the real challenge for a generation is to find balance, using technology to improve justice while keeping the human element alive.
Of course, maybe that's the definition of the modern lawyer. Someone who understands algorithms, but still fights for values like dignity, equality, and freedom.
Absolutely right, Juan Camilo. The law is evolving, and we have to evolve with it. In a way, we're becoming translators between technology and society, between innovation and justice.
Martin, I really like that idea. Translator of justice in the digital age. I love it.
That's great. That's great. The future of law isn't just digital, it's human, ethical, and technological at the same time.
Very well, Martin. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Juan Camilo. Let's go to class.
Let's go.
Listo.